Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Effiong, an award-winning data scientist, software developer and programmer. It's good to have you here once again. In today's class, we want to analyze and visualize business data using Excel charts. A chart is a tool in Excel that you can use to visualize your data. We have column bar charts, pie charts, donut charts, line charts, and so on. Lots of charts in Excel. So we'll be heading to the work environment to begin the class proper. But before we do that, kindly hit that subscribe button if you've not subscribed to this channel, so we could offer you quality tech videos to grow and in the tech ecosystem. Thank you for doing that. Now let's proceed to the work environment and start the class proper. Welcome to the work environment, and we have sample sales data here. We are told to visualize, and we are given two tasks. We are to plot a 2D column chart of products and sales, and also analyze and format the chart. So let's proceed to task 1 and plot the 2D column chart. To plot a chart in Excel, the first thing you need to do is to highlight the range of data you want to work with for the chart. So I highlight from the laptop dots to the external drive product alongside the sales values from $500 down to $180. Then you click on your insert menu and you come down to this area for charts. You can see it's labeled here charts, and I see the icon for a column or bar chart. I click on it and we have different options of charts: 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar, and so on and so forth. So I can take this one. Now once you click on it, it has plotted the charts, and let me reduce the chart so that we can see it in the environment. So it's a simple 2D column bar chart of the products versus the sales. So this is the chart. Now we are to format the chart, and there are a lot of activities we need to do to format the chart. The first task of formatting is to transform the appearance of this chart. When we talk about transforming the appearance of this chart, is simply switching the column and the row of the values that give the chart. So we have the icon here and we click on it, switch rows to column, and it has transformed the chart. Why we transform the chart is because we have different products and they're indicated by different colors. So this is better when you are visualizing your sales data. The next option we want to do when we talk about the formatting is to give the chart a unique title or nomenclature. So how do we do that? Still under the chart format, we click here, add chart elements. So we open this drop down and we select the option chart title, and we also have further options on the position of the chart title. So I select above charts, then I key in. The title should be products and sales charts, products and sales charts, and that is it. I press my enter key. So I've given the chart a title, products and sales charts. The next format option I'm going to do on the chart is to enter the axis, different axes. We have x-axis and y-axis. So I'm going to enter the different axes for the charts. So still under the chart element, I'll first of all delete this one here. Under the chart elements, I'm going to click here and select axis title. I start with the primary horizontal axis, and I give the title products, then press enter. It has given it the title. I still go back to the add chart element and down to axis title and select for the y-axis primary vertical axis, and I key in sales. That is the axis title for the y-axis, sales, and I hit my enter. And last but not the least, this is just a simple chart that we are visualizing sales. Last but not the least, I add the legend. Legends are like keys. If you've seen a map before, we have keys that describes areas of the map. So legends are keys that will describe components in the chart. So it's among the chart elements. So I click here and I select legend, and I want it at the right hand side. I click on it, right, and We can see the charts, a standard chart to visualize our sales data in Excel for the products and the sales made in the business. I remain Mr. Effiong, your data analyst and software developer tutor, and join me as we grow in the tech ecosystem. Thank you for your audience, and I see you in the next class. Bye.